Hello class, myself Jasprit Kaur, and today we will continue our trigonometric part. We had done in the previous part regarding the concepts of trigonometry and the related formulas. And today we will do some questions relating to that topic. In the given statement, given that tan A is equal to 4 by 3, find the other trigonometric ratio of angle A. Now let us consider a right angle triangle ABC, which is right angled at angle B. So we will do the trigonometric ratios related to the angle A. We had given one ratio, that is tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Now we know that in the right angle triangle ABC, the hypotenuse is called as a longest side in a right angle triangle. So as AC is hypotenuse in this right angle triangle, so hypotenuse is always the longest side of a right angle triangle. So value of sin theta and cos theta is always less than 1. The reason is that according to our formula that Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole, sona chandi tole. So here sin theta is P upon H. So whenever we divide some smallest number with the longest number, then value of that fraction is always less than 1. For example, if we divide 3 by 5, then value of 3 by 5 will be less than 1. That's why sin theta and cos theta will always less than 1. Now, we will find the trigonometric ratios. Now, tan A is P upon B. So, let us consider a formula that h square equal to p square plus b square, because we had given that AC square equal to AB square plus B square. Hypotenuse is AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So here P is 4, let it be 4k square, and BC is 3k square. 4k square is 16k square, 3k square is 9k square. So we are left with 16 plus 9 is 25k square. So value of AC square is 25k square and AC will be equal to 5k. Now, value of sin A. Sin A is P upon H. So here we know that we want to find the trigonometric ratio related to the angle A. Now opposite sides of angle A is BC. So this is our perpendicular, this is hypotenuse, and this is our base. So let it be perpendicular, this is our base and this is hypotenuse. So sin A will be P upon H. So perpendicular is BC. BC upon AC. So value of BC is given to us (4k) upon 5k. So sin A will be 4 upon 5. In a similar way, we can find the value of cos A, that is B upon H. value of base is, that is AB, value of AB is 3k and hypotenuse is 5k. So cos A is 3/5. So we had find the two trigonometric ratio. In a similar way we can find the rest three. We have a formula that cosecant A is a reciprocal of sin A. So no need to solve it. Just take a reciprocal of sin A, that is 5/4. Secant A is reciprocal of cos A, that will be 5/3. And cot A will be the reciprocal of tan A, that will be 3/4. So in this way we had solved the 6 trigonometric ratios. Now let us do next question. If angle B and angle Q are the acute angles such that sin B is equal to sin Q, then we have to prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. Now we had given that angle B and angle Q are the acute angles. Now angle C is right angle in a triangle ACP and angle R is also right angle in a triangle PRQ. Now since we are finding sin B, so angle B, opposite side of angle B will be referred as perpendicular and opposite side of angle C is referred as hypotenuse, and this will be our base. In the similar way, this is a perpendicular, this is hypotenuse and this is base. Now we had given that sin B is equal to sin Q. Now we have पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले. So sin theta is P/H. Sin theta is P/H. So with respect to sin B, our P/H is AC/AB. AC/AB. In a similar way, sin Q is PR/PQ. PR/PQ. Now taking interchange AC/PR equal to AB/PQ. We are just interchanging the side that APR is taking in downward and AB will be taken in the upward direction. So let it be taken in equal to some constant K. So by equating individually each of the fraction AC/PR equal to K and AB/PQ, this is also equal to K. Now value of AC is K times PR and value of AB is K times PQ. Now let us consider in a triangle ACB. We have the formula h square equal to p square plus b square according to Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse is AB square. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. So we had for value of AB is equal to K times PQ and value of AC is K times PR square plus BC square. Taking this to the left hand side to find the value of BC, K square PQ square minus K square PR square. This is equal to BC square. Now BC will be under root of K square PQ square minus K square PR square. So taking the value of K square common, we have PQ square minus PR square Now taking k outside the under root, we are left with pq square minus pr square. This is equal to bc. So this is our value of bc. Now we will find the value of rq by Pythagoras theorem. That is h square equal to p square plus b square. Now h is in a triangle PQR. PQ square equal to PR square plus RQ square. Now value of RQ square is PQ square minus PR square, that will be equal to RQ square. So RQ is under root of PQ square minus PR square. Now dividing both the two values, dividing star and star dash. BC upon RQ, K time under root of PQ square minus PR square upon under root of PQ square minus PR square. Now value of BC upon RQ is K. So we have AC upon PR, AC upon PR equal to AB upon PQ equal to BC upon RQ, BC upon RQ. All the three sides are in proportion and equal to some constant K. So by the theorem, if the three sides are in a proportion, then those triangles are similar. So triangle, right angle triangle ACB is similar to right angle triangle PRQ. Now we have done that if the two triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles are equal. Therefore angle B is equal to angle Q. Now in a right angle triangle QPO, right angle at angle P, now OP is equal to 7 cm and OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 cm. Then find the sin Q and cos Q. Now we had a triangle QPO, which is right angle at P, and we have to find the value of sin Q and cos Q. We had given that side OP is 7 cm and difference of side OQ minus PQ is 1 cm. Now since we have to find the value of Q angle Q, so this is our perpendicular, this is hypotenuse and this is our base. Now value of OQ is 1 plus PQ, taking PQ on the right hand side. So this is our value of OQ. Now by Pythagoras theorem, h square equal to p square plus b square. H is OQ square equal to p is OP plus b is PQ. Value of OQ is 1 plus PQ. Value of OP is 7 plus PQ. Now we have an identity in algebra. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So apply this identity in left hand side. So RA is 1 and B is PQ. So 1 square plus PQ square plus 2 into 1 into PQ equal to 49 plus PQ square, 1 plus PQ square plus 2 PQ, 49 plus PQ square. So taking the like terms on the left hand side, PQ square plus 2PQ minus PQ square equal to 49. 1 will be taken on the right hand side. So PQ square and PQ square getting cancelled. 2PQ, this is equal to 48. PQ is 48 by 2, 24. So value of PQ is 24. Put this value in this. So OQ is 1 plus PQ, that will be 1 plus 24. So value of OQ is 25. So we had all the three lengths. Now we will find the value of sin Q, that is पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले. So that is P upon H. So according to the Q angle, RP is OP. So OP or PO is same thing. Hypotenuse is OQ. So value of OP is 7. It is given to us. And value of OQ we had calculated, that is 25. So sin Q is 7 upon 25. In a similar way, cos Q is B upon H. Cos Q is B upon H. Our B is PQ. Value of PQ is 24 and value of hypotenuse is OQ. OQ is 25. So in this way we find both the trigonometric ratios. One more similar question we will do. Now in a right angle triangle ABC, which is right angled at B, and we have to find the sin A and cos A. Now side opposite to angle A will be perpendicular and side opposite to 90-degree angle will be hypotenuse. So left will be base. According to the Pythagoras theorem, H square equal to P square plus B square. So our H is AC. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is 24 square. BC is 7 square. 24. So 24 square is 576 plus 49. So value of AC square is 625. So AC will be 25. So we have the value of hypotenuse, that is 25. Now we want to find the value of sin A. Sin theta is P upon H. So our perpendicular is AB, BC. Our perpendicular is BC, which is 7 centimeter. Hypotenuse is AC, which is 25 centimeter. So sin A will be P upon H, that is BC upon AC 7, that is 7 upon 25. So sin A will be 7 upon 25. In a similar way, cos A is B upon H. So base is AB upon AC, that is 24 upon 25. So cos A equal to 24 upon 25. That's all. Now in a right angle triangle PQR, right angle at Q, so we have to find the value of tan P minus cot R. Firstly we will solve the value of tan P, then cot R, and then we subtract both the terms with each other. Tan P, that means this angle. So in this case our perpendicular is this. This is our hypotenuse and this is our base. Now according to the formula, Pandit Badri Prasad हर हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले. So tan theta is P upon B. Now here P is QR and B is PQ. So firstly we will find the value of QR. Now by Pythagoras theorem, H square equal to P square plus B square. So H is PR square, P is cube R square, B is PQ square. Now value of PR is 13, value of QR is unknown, and value of PQ is 12 square. Now taking 12 square to the left hand side. Taking under root on both sides, 13 square minus 12 square. Now we will use the identity of lower classes of algebra, that A square minus B square is equal to A minus B multiplied by A plus B. So here A is 13 and B is 12. So we simply solve 13 minus 12 into 13 plus 12. 1 into 25. So our value of QR will be 5. Under root of 25 is 5. Now value of QR is 5 and value of PQ is 12. So tan P will be 5 upon 12 and cot R. Cot R is, cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So cot R will be B upon P. Reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta, as tan theta is P upon B, so cot theta will be B upon P. Now we are taking with respect to R. So this is our perpendicular and this is hypotenuse and this is our base. So our base is QR and perpendicular is PQ. Now value of QR, we had find out 5 and value of PQ, it is 12. So value of cot R is 5 upon 12. Now we will put these two values in the given statement. 1 and 2. Subtracting 1 and 2, that is tan P minus cot R, that will be 5 upon 12 minus 5 upon 12. This is equal to 0. So we solve the above question.